Hi guys, welcome to Websense Pro. Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can bulk upload your Shopify store images. Say if you have a Shopify store with thousands of products and you're wasting a lot of time uploading all of the images manually on all of the products and variants, then you are wasting a lot of time. And in this video, I'll show you guys how you can automate that process using a free app. The app is called Imageflow and it's completely free to use right now. And you can directly integrate your Google Drive and Dropbox with this app. So you can see that it is going to directly connect with the Google Drive and the Dropbox. And it is not just connected, it is also going to optimize your image, which you will upload automatically based on different matching condition. So it's a really cool app where I'm going to show you guys how you can install that on your development store and how you can basically speed up the process of bulk uploading and not wasting your time manually uploading every single image. Make sure to install the app, link is in the description. And once you install that, you will have a screen like this. And the first step which we will be doing is clicking on upload because we want to bulk upload, right? And as you can see, my Google Drive is already connected. You will need to connect it. So if I just disconnect it and show you guys how to connect it. So that's how it is going to look for you, right? And you will click on connect. And then you will have a screen like this. And once you authorize it using your email, and then click on continue, give it a permission by selecting continue again. It is going to be connected with the Google Drive. We will also test Dropbox, but let's first test the Google Drive. Here we have some options like add to existing images and replace existing images, right? And this is the manual method, but first we will check this use matching options, which is automatically going to match file name with the product, right? So this is the folders of my Google Drive, and that is the folder where I have added some of the images of my product. So I'm going to select that product. And here we have matching conditions. Now it's saying that 5 images are found. Now here we have the option to match the product. So if we want to match if image name is same as product name, in this case, we will need the file name to be exactly the same as the product name. Here we have match if image name contains product name. So whatever image which we have in our Google Drive must contains the product name. And this one is match if product name contains image name. So I'm going to select this condition where it is going to automatically match the product name which contains the image name, right? So I'm going to select this option and let me show you the products which I'm testing on. So I'm opening up those products and also my Google Drive where I'm going to show you guys the images which I have. So if I open up my Google Drive and open up the folder of Imageflow. So that's the folder where I've uploaded the images. Now in this folder, you can see there are 5 images. 3 images is from one product and these 2 images is from one product. So I have activewear. So if I search in my Shopify, you can see that's the product. And I'm going to remove the images from this product. Let's remove the images and click on save. Now I am going to open that other product as well, which is leather case. So let's find that. Here's the one, leather case for AirPods. I'm going to remove the images from this product as well. I'm just showing you guys as an example that how you can automate the process of image uploading. I'm just testing it with 2 products, but if you have like hundreds and thousands of products and you want to directly upload it with Google Drive, then you can follow this process. So these are 2 products which I'm going to be testing this on. One is leather case for AirPod and the other one is activewear t-shirt, right? Now, once you land on the app, select add to existing images and select the appropriate folder in your Google Drive where you have the images. This part is showing the folders of your Google Drive. Now scroll down and select match if product name contains image name and then click on match now. And now you can see that it automatically found those products, right? And you can see here is the product name. Here I'm going to select upload images. and now it is uploading the images automatically. Now I'm just giving you example for these two products. You might have thousands of hundreds of products where you can upload images automatically directly from Google Drive. So you can see that our images are uploaded. And now if I go back to the backend of my activewear t-shirt and hit refresh, you can see that it has uploaded my images. And similarly on this product, I'm going to refresh. And you can see that the images of that products are matched automatically and uploaded directly to the Shopify from my Google Drive. All I had to do is just go to upload, connect my Google Drive, select add to existing images, and then pick the right folder where you have the images and select the matching conditions. Then it is going to automatically upload that. Now we will check it with the manual way, where if you want to manually do that, it is also going to save you time because you don't have to go one by one on every single product. You will just have a list of all of the products and then you can select the images to upload. So if I click on choose images for product manually, right? Again, you have this options where you can select product or product variant. So if you want to upload images for product or if you want to upload images for specific product variant. Let's check out the product one. So I'm going to select product, and here you can see that all of my products are showing up. Now let's say I want to upload images for this color blocking shots. I'm going to select this product and it is showing me as a list. Now I'm going to select other product as well to show you what's the experience of uploading the images via this manual process. And you can see I'm selecting some of the products and it is now giving me a list. And I'm simply going to select images from my Google Drive. Again, it's giving me a prompt to take to the Google Drive. And here it is showing me all of the product images. Now, currently I just have uploaded activewear, right? These are the only images which I have uploaded, but you can easily do that from your Google Drive, or you can select upload from here and directly upload it from your device. Now it is way more easier as compared to the manual process of Shopify, where you will go to every single product, open up every single product, and then click on upload media library to upload those images. So that's how easy it is using this app to automate the process of bulk image uploading. Now we tested with the images which contains the name of that product. Now we will test it with the SKU. Let's say you have a lot of images and you just want to match the product by SKU. So I have this folder created where I have uploaded these two images with the exact SKU of that product variant. So if I open up that product, you can see that on this first variant, we have SKU as Activewear Clear 1, and the other product variant has this Activewear Blue 1, and it's the exact match with these images. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to scroll down, select this folder first of all, where it says Imageflow match with SKU, and you can see that found two images found. And here on this drop down menu, I'll select this match if image name is SKU product variants, right? Now, when I select that, I can also match my images based on SKU. And you can see that it found those images, and I'm simply gonna click on upload images, and it is going to upload those images to that specific variant, not just the product. And there are multiple conditions here, like I've already told you guys. So if you want to match it with the SKU as product variant, or if you want to match it as from barcode, if you want to match it from meta field, these are the options where you can use the bulk uploading. There are some other cool features, including resize compress. So if you want to reduce the size of the images and you want to basically optimize the speed of your store, which is also really important for SEO, you can use this resize compress, where you'll simply select compress images and select any of the product. Let's say select this one, click on add. And once you click on compress images, you can see that you'll simply be compressing the images by clicking on this confirm button here. It's going to start the job and it is completed. Now that's how easy it is to compress multiple images in bulk with this app. Similarly, we can also export. So if you want to export the images from one store to another store, you can use this app as well for that purpose. Again, select product, select the file format, and once you do that, so let me show you guys. So I'm simply going to select one product here, click on add, and then from this button, click on export images. This is the folder format where you want. If you want to have every single product title, every single folder by the name of product title, you can simply select that. It is going to create subfolders with the product title. And this is the original name. So if you want the file name format to be the SKU position or title plus SKU position, it is going to rename that file and add it on the product folder, right? So simply select the product, click on add, and then click on export images. Once you do that, you can see that it found these 5 images on that product, and simply click on export images. And here you can see that it has prepared this zip folder where we'll simply copy the URL and we'll be able to download that zip folder. Now my zip folder is downloading. And now if I open up that zip folder, you can see that I have the folder name by the product title. And if I open up the images, you can see that I have the SKU position and the product title. So it is going to help you with organization of your store images, and it's free to use. So simply try that app out. Link in the description. One more thing where you will be able to see all of the stats of whatever image processing and whatever product image uploading you have done. It is going to give you analytics of that, where how much time you saved, how much data you processed, how much images you uploaded and exported using this app. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if this app were a little helpful for you in order to bulk upload the images. Also, let me know in the comments below if you want me to highlight any specific part of this app where you were not clear enough. Would love to create a follow-up video. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.